In June 1945, Hitler's dream of a 1,000-year Reich lay in ruins. His boastful visions were shattered by the massive superiority of Allied air power. The once proud German Air Force is reduced to the same pitiful state as its cities. These American airmen are idly amusing themselves with the wreckage of the mighty Luftwaffe. Abandoned remains of German fighters are cheerfully vandalized. The man with the baseball bat smashes the tail of a Messerschmitt 109, a fighter which was almost 10 years old by the end of the war. Nearby lie the remains of one of the last German fighters to enter service, the rocket-powered Comet, an aircraft that looked forward to the space age. In this aircraft graveyard are the two ends of a development spectrum which bridged the propeller age and the dawn of the jet age. The war-torn skies over Germany had seen the first jet aircraft engaged in combat, while late in the war saw the first ever use of the air-to-air missile, a chilling reminder of what might have been.